Okay, tell me when you're ready.
Turn on? I turned this guy on, nothing happened. I assume. Maybe it needs to heat up?
No, I'm ready.
Back flush.
Yeah.
There's more over here. There's one over here. So that's already out.
I think it's done. I think it's burnt out or something. It's not that bad. I know. It'll get kind of.
Welcome back. I'm John's dad. In this video series, we're covering our annual week-long backpacking trip on the Appalachian Trail. This year, we hiked from Unicoi Gap southbound to Amicalola State Park. Today, day 5, we leave Mountain Crossings Hostel at Neel Gap after sleeping in a bed and taking a shower. We climbed up and over Blood Mountain. Check out the shelter. What did you think of Blood Mountain? Follow along for our quick tour of mountain crossings before we start our hike today.
Little things. Yeah, the little things.
It's a little after 8 a.m. We're heading out up and over Blood Mountain today. 7.5 miles. Should end up at Lance Creek Restoration Area. That's our plan anyway. Hopefully no injuries. All right, so I talk a lot of times about trail maintainers will stretch logs and stuff across the trail so you know not to go that way. You know, they don't have a lot of equipment and paint and all of that out here, so you have to read the signs. So I looked that way, and I'll just show you. Yeah, this is the way the AT goes. You even have a blaze here. So it makes sense that they, you know, somebody might have laid a branch or a log across the trail. But look at this. This thing fell over years and years and years ago and kept living. It's a full-blown live tree. Just happened to fall across where the trail is not. Oh, I've been struggling over this for a while. Little rocks like this can be kind of tough going down on this side too. We're heading southbound from Mountain Crossings or Neel Gap to Lands Creek Restoration Area. And so we're going up Blood Mountain, going southbound. And you know, it's pretty tough. It's been going like this for a while. And I look up and I can't see a blaze, but okay, I'll keep going. And then I just happened to catch this in a nice dirt trail. I didn't get lost this time. I don't think we're alone up here. Now, the Blood Mountain Shelter is haunted. I think that's been confirmed, but what I understand is the ghost or the goblin or whatever it is that haunts it only bothers backpackers who are sleeping. So you're okay staying here as long as you don't fall asleep.
I was gonna say, I don't have a doctor, I got sinus, it's almost good.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got 13, 14, and 15. This might be a record.
Today, our finish
I bet this made a lot of noise when they came crashing down. Well, after a little break, resting on the top of Blood Mountain at the shelter up there. Real cool building, check it out for sure. Great views, especially on the north side. There's a couple of big granite open areas. You take a break there and you can just see for miles. So the hike up from Neel Gap, going southbound, it was okay going up. I sure wouldn't want to do it going down in the rain, for example. Here on the north side, we're walking. It's a real normal trail. Remember, you're on a mountain, so yeah, we're not talking Grayson Highlands or Shenandoah National Park. But it's been real nice cruising, ups and downs. Once in a while we stop and have a break together. It's been real nice. So here we are at Jared Gap. There's apparently water around here someplace, but I loaded up further north, so I don't really need anything right now. Just hopefully I'm not carrying too much for the rest of the day. I do tend to carry too much water because I ran out in the White Mountains and went 4 or 5 hours without any water, and that was not a good plan. I learned from that mistake, but it means I shall forever carry too much water, and that's what I do. To the west of the trail, following the sign that says water to the right, at least coming southbound, there's water down there. I don't need any, so I'm gonna go straight. Creek restoration area off to the right here. It's fenced off. They don't want you to go in there. They're restoring it. That's nice. Out beyond that last tent, there's some more. I'll take you out there next.
I don't know how my bottle can use that a little while. We'll probably do that.
Yeah, we'll have to do it. We've got a really big group this year, so we made a couple circles, boiling water, pouring it into the bags. Really great group of people.